Sanibonani bafethu, igama lami uSibonga. I'm a lead salesperson at Solomon Brothers. La emva kwami we have a Mercedes V250D which came in for our signature pack and for PPFs to be repaired. PPF bisiqebuka in some of the areas in your rear fender, side sills, and one sliding door on your left hand side. So in our signature pack, we did a full decontamination, full de-ionization. We cleaned the wheels, we cleaned the engine, we steamed the leather, we cleaned the interior. So imoto manje yinhle. We didn't do a lot emotweni, plus it's a V class, you know, ibhasi lomjolo akufanele ngeke ulenze into eningi. You have to keep it classic, just maintain it ukuthi libe clean. We also applied our CQuartz UK 3.0 coating. I-coating shuthi izowenza imoto ukuthi kube easier, izoba hydrophobic, ngeke ibe nama watermarks, ngeke affectekwe its acidic rain, ngeke ibe nama road debris, izoba protected because of the coating we apply over the paint and over the PPF on the vehicle. So imoto yinhle manje. I hope i-client lizojabula. So come and look around guys and see ukuthi imoto injani sesisebenzile.